Here's a walking tour of downtown Manhattan. Guess what this building is? The Federal Reserve. It used to be covered with black tar. Now it's cleaned many years ago, 20 years ago. They scrubbed it. Here's what they call a work of art. Next to the Federal Reserve, New York Bank. It's hard to believe they call this a park. Look at it. It looks like gravel. Good luck. And then you can't even see what it says underneath there. Somebody put a sticker there. Oh, it is Louise Nevelson's Plaza. God bless Louise. Here it is. If you like gravel, it's not even gravel. It's like white sand, but not even sand. It's more like rock, white rock. Very sad. And you can see nobody's here.